Spain Day 3. Punta tayo ng Barcelona. Sa Luto, Barcelona, it will take more than 1 hour. Let's explore the city of Barcelona, Spain. We are in the tunnel. Voila. There is another one tunnel, but it's short. Another tunnel, shorter. Voila.
El cartelista espera una distracció per endur-se a lloc d'estiu.
Teo
I de
at
les
Metro.
Pickpockets are always on the lookout for any distraction, so they can steal your belongings.
Alala, paglabas namin ng elevator galing sa train station, nagbungad kagad sa amin yung Sagrada Familia. Tada! It's so massive! Oh my God! Super laki! Super taas! This is the entrance of Sagrada Familia. Wanna go inside? Hindi kami nakapasok kasi dapat pala a day before or matagal pa mag-book na agad ng ticket. Kasi daw ngayon baka sold out na. Theo! Theo, where are you? Exploring Barcelona. More lakad. I hope I lost weight. I hope I lost 10 kilos because we will walk so much. My bike. Bike. Nakikita na namin ang Triumphal Arch. It's also Triumphal Arch. Art Triumph. This is the train station. Maybe this is City Hall. Getting closer. Dito na kami sa Art Triumph. Where is it? There you go. There you go. Super massive. But it looks small on the... Oh, there is something like... Orchestra. No. Against the light. My orchestra, something ganun. Massive. Ang liit niya na lang. Arc de Triomphe. Arc de Theo. Alala. Yay, Theo. Yay. Bye. Super dami ng kalapate. Tourist dust. Ang daming tao. Nakapila. Papasok ko dyan. Pero I think hindi makapasok kapag walang ticket. Or I mean, book ng ticket a day before. Walang katapusang lakad. Gausok-usok na yung paa ko. Nababaliw na ako kakalakad. Super pagod. Pagod. Je suis fatiguée. Diyos mio, ano ba itong pinagagawa namin sa buhay namin? Parang pabundok na itong nilalakad. Ito lang ata ang makikita namin. Galing kami sa baba. Galing kami dyan. God. Very high. Baba na kami ng bundok. That is the view from here. Buildings of Barcelona. There you go. Barcelona. Familia Sagrada. We are trying to go there. Walala, it's very far. What is it? Going down. Buti na lang kahit saan merong upuan. Pahinga mode on. Theo! Ay, super pagod. Galing kami sa kabundukan. Ha? Di.